Apple's about to drop a $1,200 device that's smarter than your ex, more stable than your relationship, and powerful enough to replace your DSLR, gaming setup, and maybe even your therapist. But at this price, has Apple finally gone too far? Okay, listen closely, because this is not just an iPhone. This is Apple's AI-fueled, camera-juiced, vapor-cooled flex to the rest of the tech world. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, or should I say the Ultra of your Ultra dreams, is basically a transformer that fits in your jeans, assuming your jeans still have pockets big enough. But hang tight, because this leak reveals something even crazier. Apple might finally give you what you actually want, but with a twist that might melt your wallet and your palm at the same time. So, remember when phones used to fit in your hand? Pepperidge Farm remembers. But Apple clearly doesn't. The base iPhone 17 is jumping from 6.1 to 6.3 inches. Yes, the base model. That's Pro size now. At this point, we're just a few inches away from the iPhone doubling as a cutting board. And if you're one of those small phone fans clinging to your SE like it's a vintage Porsche, I've got bad news. Apple heard your prayers and politely ignored them again. Let's talk iPhone 17 Pro Max, aka the one you know you're going to pretend not to buy, but will mysteriously show up in your hands 3 days after launch. Design-wise, small tweaks, a rectangular camera island, triangular lens setup, still looks like a spaceship, but now with slightly more feng shui. And yes, it's keeping the glass back and possibly returning to an aluminum frame, retro, but make it premium. But here's where things go nuclear. It's reportedly rocking the A19 Pro chip. That's right, A19, which sounds less like a processor and more like a Pentagon project. Pair that with 12 gigabytes of RAM and suddenly your iPhone's smarter than your roommate. And did I mention Apple Intelligence? Yep, this phone isn't just fast, it's thinking, it's plotting, it knows you better than your mom. Remember when your iPhone used to overheat from just trying to record a TikTok in 4K? Yeah, well, Apple's slapping in a vapor chamber in a phone. I can't even get decent airflow in my apartment. Combine that with Wi-Fi 7, and you're looking at speed so fast, your files will upload before you even hit send. Seriously, it might leak your own photos before the leakers can. Now, here's where things get insultingly good, because Apple isn't just giving you a better camera, they're giving you 3 48 megapixel lenses, triple at 48 megapixels. That includes a shiny new 48 megapixel telephoto sensor, which basically turns your iPhone into a sniper rifle for pixels. And the front, 24 megapixel selfie cam. You can now see your pores in 8K. Congratulations. Or apologies. All models, even the base iPhone 17, are finally getting ProMotion. That's Apple's fancy name for 120 Hz. Translation, scrolling feels smoother than your last situationship. The display is also expected to have an anti-reflective coating, which means you can finally doom scroll in peace, even under direct sunlight. Because yes, nothing says productivity like reading Twitter in a blinding desert. And the battery, it's getting bigger. Not Galaxy Ultra huge, but enough for Apple to claim all-day battery life, which we all know means like till 6 p.m. if you're lucky. And here it is. The price, buckle up, $1,200. That's rent in some cities, that's a vacation, that's an iPhone. But Apple knows we'll pay it. Why? Because we're addicted to the idea that maybe, just maybe, this will finally be the phone that changes everything. Spoiler, it won't. But it will take amazing photos of your dog, and honestly, that's good enough for most of us. So, should you buy the iPhone 17 Pro Max? If you love bleeding-edge tech, cameras that rival cinema rigs, and a phone smarter than your ex, then yeah, probably. But if you're still clutching your iPhone 12 like it's a life raft, you might want to wait, or at least sell a kidney first. Subscribe, because next week I'm deep diving into whether this phone can actually run console games natively, or if Apple's just bluffing again And hey, if Apple's watching this, I'm free for a brand deal. I'll even pretend this thing fits in my jeans. See you next one. Let me know in the comments before Apple sues me for slander. To sum it all up, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be equal parts genius and madness. From the two-tone design to the controversial camera bar, Apple is clearly experimenting